You know that feeling when you're doing a puzzle and you have all these pieces that should fit together, but somehow you keep forcing the wrong pieces into the wrong spots. That's what content creation felt like for me. And for the longest time, I was trying to solve the puzzle wrongly. The same mistake I made for my business, my life, and content creation. I tried a couple of businesses and they didn't work out. Hi, I'm Desiree. For content creation, back in 2020, I started planting seeds everywhere, posting YouTube videos about food, travel, and everything. I thought if I just kept planting, something would grow. But you know what happens when you plant without a plan? You get a garden, but it is chaos. Nothing connects, nothing flows. And you're left wondering why other people's gardens look so intentional, so beautiful, building their brands, online presence, and even monetizing. But here's the thing about me. I've learned to always look at the goal and the big picture, then reverse engineer because I hate wasting time. And that's exactly why I studied computer science, majoring in AI. Graduated first class, but I think coding is really not for me. But I learned to simplify workflows to make things efficient. And that's what I incorporate into my life, business, and eventually for my clients. You know how some people hire contractors just to build stuff? But then there are those who work with architects, people who don't just want something built, they want to understand why it's built that way. Over the years, I found myself becoming that architect, not just building, but helping people see the big picture first. Well, anyone can really just throw up a quick structure, but if you want something that lasts through the storms, you need someone who cares about the foundation as much as you do. Someone who asks why before how. These days, when I look at someone's content garden, I can see which plants belong where. I used to spend hours creating just one short video, but now it is just a fraction of that time. And you know what I noticed most? A lot of gardens have just a few lonely plants. People start strong, post a few times, and then not because they don't have ideas, but in fact they have too many ideas that they don't know how to fit them in the bigger picture. They don't know what's important and what is not. Now, if that sounds familiar, maybe we should walk through your garden together. Why walk the long path alone when you can have someone walk with you using a shorter path? Content creation should not be difficult, and some paths are not meant to be walked alone.